Hi everyone, in this video we're taking a look at when and why to rinse tea leaves. If you're interested in premium tea, make sure to subscribe to our channel for new videos like this one each week. When people are first introduced to traditional Chinese tea brewing, they are often told to rinse their tea before brewing. This involves brewing the leaves for only a few seconds in hot water and then discarding the rinse before adding water to the leaves again for the actual infusion. Tea vendors often say that this process is to clean the leaves of dust and pesticides, but this is not effective. If a tea has been grown with pesticides, they will be present throughout the leaf, not just on the surface, and cannot be removed by rinsing. In our view, if the tea needs to be cleaned, you probably shouldn't be drinking it in the first place. Here at Red Blossom, we actually recommend that you don't rinse the majority of our teas. We independently batch test our crops through SGS for over 450 pesticides and heavy metals to ensure that they are clean and safe to drink right from the start. Rinsing also strips flavor from the leaves, particularly essential oils and other volatile aromatic compounds, which are often found on the surface of the leaves. Rinsing away these compounds results in a flatter and less flavorful cup of tea, which is a bit of a waste for premium leaves. In fact, there are only two types of tea that we recommend rinsing first to improve flavor, which are aged teas and fermented teas. For these two categories, a quick rinse can help to refresh the leaves and balance the flavor, similar to removing the rind from a strong cheese. Rinsing can also be used to reduce the intensity of the teas that are over-roasted. However, in all these cases, the rinse is used as a way to improve flavor, not as a way to clean the tea, and rinsing is never required when purchasing from our collection. To learn more about premium tea, visit redblossomtea.com. Make sure you leave a like and comment below if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on future videos.